I'm Vineet Singh, applying for the Microsoft Student Partner Program for the academic year 2011-2012. And I'll be talking on the topic of cloud computing. Let me begin. What is actually cloud computing is? Cloud computing is an online form of computing in which users can access application via a browser in which the application is already installed and stored on a server. It's a whole new form of computing and it's allowing thousands of users all around the world to access something where you don't have to download or install any of the software in your computer, as well as you don't have to purchase any of the software. One of the good examples is Google Documents, which will clear your idea about what is actually cloud computing is. In the Google document, all of your files are stored in the cloud on account of your Google server. That means you can log on to any of the computer in the entire world and get the exact same files you had at home. Now let me tell you some of the benefits of cloud computing. The benefits of cloud computing are, it helps keep the cost down for both the users as well as the website owners. There will be no cost involving the planning, the management as well as the maintenance of software. It can also hold more storage than any other personal computer can. Then it is more flexible than any other network computing system, and it also saves time as well as money. And one good thing is that it is available all the time, and it also keeps your files updated, and you can log from any of the computer in the entire world. And it is also used by various companies and governmental sectors to keep their files safe, which is less likely to be lost or stolen. Now let me tell you about the three kinds of cloud computing. Let me begin with the three kinds of cloud computing. First is infrastructure as a service, then we have platform as a service, and at the end, software as a service. Let me begin with infrastructure as a service. In the infrastructure as a service, you are buying access to raw computing hardware over the net, such as server or storage. One good example is the ordinary web hosting. Then we have software as a service. In the software as a service, you can use a complete application running on someone else's system. For example, Google Docs, which I have already mentioned before. Then we have platform as a service. In this, you create your own application through web-based tools, so there are no system, software as well as hardware provided by another company. One good example is Microsoft AZURE. Now let me tell you about what is actually Microsoft AZURE is. Microsoft deals with cloud computing in the form of Microsoft AZURE. It's a cloud platform that is used to host, scale as well as build web applications through different Microsoft data centers all over the world. And it comes in three parts. First is the Windows AZURE. Actually, it's an operating system providing scalable compute and storage facilities as well as fabric facilities. Then we have the SQL AZURE. Actually, it's a cloud scale checkout version of the SQL server. Then at the end we have App Fabric. Actually, it's a collection of applications supporting various applications both in the cloud as well as on-premise. Now, let me tell you the three types of Windows AZURE. It comes in the compute facilities as well as in the storage facilities and also in fabric facilities. Since cloud computing is an upcoming technology, it is used by various companies like Google in the form of Google Docs, Microsoft in the form of Microsoft AZURE, then also by Apple in the form of Apple iCloud, in which Apple is going to launch a new operating system, that is the iOS 5. In the end, I just want to say that in the Microsoft Student Club, one can learn many things. He can bring out his ideas as well as create many practical things and apply it practically in their daily life. Thank you very much for watching the video.